This is called the Bulldog Cocktail. Go ahead and start by putting your ice in your glass like so. Then we're going to do 1.5 ounces of cherry flavored brandy. Maybe. Yeah, here we go. 1.5. Now we're going to do 1/2 ounce of gin. Woo! There we go. So that's it, basically, right? Cherry brandy and 1/2 ounce of gin. Those are your liquors. Now you're going to take 1/2 of a lime or so and squeeze it on in there, which I think is great. I think if you have them laying around, you should always use real fruit juice. I don't know, it makes it more festive too, because then you can toss it in there. There's nothing wrong with that. So squeeze it in there and then toss it in there and then shake it all up. Not only does it make it really cold and smooth, it waters it down a little bit to shake it vigorously. Okay, there's your martini glass. This is what your Bulldog Cocktail is going to look like. And then go ahead and take your spoon, grab your lime, and drop it. Or toss it in there. You can use your imagination. Just pretend there's a lime in there. There you go, Bulldog Cocktail. Cheers.